The importance of regular prayer in Islam. Prayer, Salah, holds a central place in the life of a Muslim. It is not only an act of worship, but also a means of building a strong connection with Allah. The Quran and the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad emphasize the importance of being punctual and regular in prayer. The Quran commands, indeed, prayer has been decreed upon the believers a decree of specified times, 4:103. This verse highlights that prayer is an obligatory duty that must be performed at its appointed time. Delaying or neglecting it is a sign of heedlessness and weakness in faith. The Prophet said, "The covenant between us and them, the disbelievers, is prayer. Whoever abandons it has committed disbelief." Sunan al-Tirmidhī 2621. This hadith shows how serious and essential prayer is for maintaining one's Islamic identity. Moreover, the Prophet ﷺ described prayer as the pillar of religion. Prayer is the pillar of Islam. Whoever establishes it establishes religion, and whoever abandons it destroys religion. Musnad Ahmad 531. Regular prayer also brings spiritual, moral, and social benefits. It purifies the soul, prevents sin, and brings peace to the heart. Allah says, "Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing, and the remembrance of Allah is greater." Surah Al-Ankabut 29:45. In conclusion, maintaining regularity in prayer is not just a religious duty, but a path to success in this world and the hereafter. A Muslim should strive to guard every prayer at its prescribed time, for it is through prayer that the believer gains nearness to Allah, strength in faith, and true inner peace.